Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain Pesto pasta, the only way. We'll start by understanding the unique aspects of Jain Pesto, which strictly avoids root vegetables like onion and garlic. Our focus will be on fresh, vibrant ingredients. You'll learn about the essential components that create this flavorful and ethical sauce, ensuring a delightful meal for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's craft our amazing Jain Pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of toasted pine nuts, and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Blend these until they are finely chopped. Then, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until your pesto reaches a smooth, vibrant green consistency, ready for your pasta. Next, let's prepare our pasta. Cook your favorite pasta, like penne or spaghetti, in salted boiling water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient. Once drained, immediately toss the warm pasta with your vibrant, freshly made Jain Pesto until every strand is beautifully coated. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your incredible Jain Pesto pasta. Garnish each plate with a sprinkle of fresh basil leaves or some vibrant cherry tomatoes for extra color and flavor. If you prefer a slightly creamier sauce, simply add a tablespoon or 2 of that reserved pasta water while tossing. Serve this wholesome, flavorful dish immediately to savor its fresh taste. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.